Wait, stop. Why would you buy a house at 7% interest rate? Why? Let me tell you why. There's two reasons. First of all, if you need to move, this is a very important time for you to make that move. And if the interest rate is holding you back, let me tell you two reasons why it actually works in your favor. So let's say the average $500,000 home is gone down in price $30,000, $40,000, $50,000. Do you know what it would take to pay the principal on that home? Probably about 5 or 6 years. $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 discount on the purchase price right now. When actually, if you were paying it on the principal over time, it would probably take you 3, 4, 5 years to pay that down. But you're getting the discount now because the interest rate is so high, right? So you're taking a big discount on the price, but you're paying an increased interest rate. How long do you think you'll have to pay an increased interest rate? How long? Market analysis say that you're probably looking at 1.5 to 2 years. So do the math on it. What's the increased amount that you would be paying? Let's say from 5% interest to 2% to 7% interest, an additional 2%. Take that interest rate, multiply it times 2 full years, and do the math on it. Is the discount on the house greater than the interest you would pay over a 2-year period? There's your first answer. It's cheaper to buy the house now and refinance when the interest rate adjusts. And it always adjusts. So don't worry. The interest rate will change again. We just don't know exactly when. If you anticipate 2 years of an increased interest rate, you're still getting a greater discount than if you wait for all the buyers to flood the market again. That's my point number 2. You have less buying competition. Your offer with a minimum of 3.5% down might get some attention right now in this market because a great deal of buyers have gone and sat down and are waiting. That means your offer might be the only offer on the table. So you get the great discount, you have less competition, and you get first options on the house. Maybe you get to negotiate some repairs. Either way, you get your offer seen today and possibly approved. And secondly, you save money on the purchase price, the amount you have to pay down over 30 years. So the savings is now. The interest rate can always be adjusted. Keep it in mind, do the math. Call me if you have some questions. Thanks so much for tuning in to Tracy's Real Estate Talk, episode 185. Don't forget to follow me at Tracy Bryant Realtor on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Thanks. Bye. See you next week.